Hello and welcome to TCS channel. Today we're going to set up an SSL certificate. Basically it's a walkthrough a Godaddy Hosting website and the SSL certificate that has been purchased from Godaddy. So basically when you want a SSL certificate, you get it from a certain company. In this case we got it from Godaddy, and first thing, you need to buy the SSL certificate. You go to web security and you choose the type of SSL security that you want to SSL certificate that you want to get it. You choose the certificate. In this case we're going to go with the basic regular one. It's a Protect One website. We bought this one, and you add to cart and you go through all of your steps that you're gonna buy it, and then you should always go to Google and search for coupons. GoDaddy has a lot of coupons, so basically when you're trying to buy a service from GoDaddy, they usually have a lot of coupons. Doesn't matter if it's a domain or it's a certificate or hosting, whatever you want to get, they always have some kind of sales and coupons for the first time you buy something. Anyways, we're gonna proceed. You go to your products when you get your certificate done, and then you go to you need two tabs for this one to go faster. So the first one, you need to open up the certificate, which we're gonna get back to this later. And the other one is we go to your hosting and choose the cPanel. Make sure it's not Plex or anything else, it's just cPanel right here. Just hit manage, and I'm gonna open the other tab here as well. So I'm gonna go to the same place, products. Right here we're gonna keep this here, right here for now. And we go to cPanel. We can close this up. Oh, sorry, this one up. Okay. Now we have to roll down all the way to SSL or TSL. First thing we have to do is generate a certificate signing request, which is CSR. Just hit this button right here or link. Here you need to type your domain name. So here you have to find the domain that you actually purchased the certificate for. So in this case, mine is Persian investment annex.ca. So usually there's a green button, like a green confirm thing right here, but I don't see it right now. I don't know what's the reason, but it should be there. Then fill out this form right here. City, it's Toronto for me, but it's gonna be your city. See, which is going to be Canada. No need for a company division or email or passphrase or anything like that, since as you can see these ones are mandatory with those star in it, but the other ones are not. So just make sure this one is correct. That's the part that it should be correct, otherwise it's not gonna work. So we click generate. It says the certificate signing request has been generated. Okay, the next step is to copy the first one right here, like the beginning to the end. Okay, just ignore the rest. You don't need it. Just you go here, Just make sure you pick from the bottom all the way to the last thing right here, and you copy Command C or Control C on PC. Go all the way down, and you hit return to the SSL manager. Then we don't need this one anymore. We go to the next step. You already copied that code. Now you have to go to SSL certificates on a GoDaddy page. So this one is the GoDaddy. Scroll down, you go to SSL certificates, you go to setup, and then wait. Okay, so it might say there's no matching certificate, but since you just a few seconds ago we just generated that CSR, it might take a little bit to upload. So when it uploads, and you just need to refresh your page and it comes up again. So no problem, just hit new certificate, and then you choose input as CSR. Just paste the code that you copied before right here, which is Control V or Command V on Mac, and hit continue. Okay, so that's the email that's going to send to these things right here, which basically these things are not usually coming for you or for anybody that I've seen before, but that might be a new process. Just keep them checked and just hit continue and just agree to whatever you have to read it, the whole thing. That's basically the terms of condition, what they say about this, and then you continue. Okay, right now it's on pending, so it might take up to 10 minutes or so, or it might, take a minute or so, it depends, but the confirmation email will be sent to your email. Okay, so when you verified your link, go ahead and just hit download. And here, just choose the server type, Apache. So you go to your folder here and you get your certificate right here. Okay, so there are two different CRT certificates, which one of them is bundle, the other one is the regular one. So we don't need the bundle right now, like at least at this moment. Just keep in mind you're gonna use this one. So here it says bundle, you see, but this one is just a regular one. Okay, just keep that open or keep it in mind where you saved it. Now we have to go back to your cPanel. We go back to your cPanel here, and now this time we have to use certificates, the CRT. Generate this one. Just scroll down all the way. It says choose a certificate file, CRT, right here. Now we have to choose this one right here, the regular one, and hit upload certificate. That's done. Now you have to go to the back end of your website. Okay, so we sign in into your dashboard, WordPress website dashboard. Here you go all the way down to settings, go to general, and here you have to change those links, both of them, manually. So here it's, instead of HTTP, just hit HTTPS. Same thing goes with this one. HTTPS, save your changes. Basically, the WordPress site will log out and you have to log in back again. You still don't see that padlock right here, right? When you go to your backend, to the dashboard, you see the lock because it's secure right here completely. But when you go to the front page, there are certain stuff, including the page and other stuff that, including the photos that the page has, and other stuff might be MP3 file, might be MP4, something that you put on your website like PDF file before that you installed your SSL certificate. That certain link has the HTTP when it was uploaded to your website. So now what you can do is go to a page called whynopadlock.com. So you just hit whynopadlock.com. It goes right here, and you can type your website right here, HTTPS. I'm gonna copy this one this time. Yeah, okay. And do the reCAPTCHA and test the page. When you test the page, it processes through certain stuff, and it basically finds the files that you uploaded with HTTP, not HTTPS. And right here you can see all the certificates, like the most things that these ones should be all green, otherwise the certificate is not right. Sometimes right here it says self-signed certificate, which is red right here. It's not going to be a red cross right here instead of a green tick. Anyways, you come here, you will see certain stuff that like it shows the failure. Why that? Like for example, this one is the image, which is insecure. It's a certain image that I uploaded. You can find it on your website and just delete and reinstall it again or re-upload it again, whatever it is. Mine is just 3 pieces of image. It might be a lot of content. That's why I usually recommend everyone, when they're starting their website, first thing they should do is, if they're going to install SSL certificate, they should do it before they're starting the website. That is the reason why, because this page, I just started the project, which doesn't really matter what is inside it. I can just delete these photos and no problem. But sometimes people just start doing their website from the start to the end, and there are a lot of content in their website, and if they have to go manually delete all of those content and re-upload it again, it's gonna take a lot of time. So just make sure when you install WordPress on your website, on your domain, first thing you should do is install an SSL certificate. You can find SSL, like there are a lot of different SSL certificates. There are free ones and there are paid ones. There are EVSSL, which is for e-commerce type of websites. Like if you want to sell something, you should get an EVSSL, which is the most secure one, with a green navigation bar or whatever they call it, the green padlock. It goes through payment process and stuff. It's the most secure one. Anyways, thank you for watching. And for these things, you just have to go through your content and just find your content and delete them and re-upload them again. If you have any other questions, just comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. It is a new channel, and we're trying to find every single solution for every problem. and we're gonna upload once a week, probably once a week. And thank you for watching.